What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your personal hotspot is not working on iOS 18. The personal hotspot allows you to share your mobile data with other devices, so it can be frustrating when it doesn't work. The simplest thing you can try is toggling airplane mode on and off a few times. This may sound very easy, but it's an effective way to reset your device's wireless connections. To do this, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. This action forces your iPhone to reconnect to its cellular and Wi-Fi networks, which can often resolve minor connectivity issues. After you've done this, check if your personal hotspot is working again. If the problem persists, the next step is to restart your iPhone. Restarting your device can fix any temporary software glitches that might be causing the hotspot to malfunction. To restart, swipe down to open the control center. Look for the power icon in the top right corner and tap it. You will now see a slider appear at the top of the screen that says Slide to power off. Drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. Wait a few moments, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears, indicating your iPhone is turning back on. Once your iPhone has restarted, try turning on the personal hotspot again to see if it works. If this still doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to move on to the next step, which is to reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings will clear all saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, and VPN settings, but it can help fix any network-related bugs that are causing your personal hotspot not to work. To reset all settings, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, select Reset, and from the list of options, tap Reset Network Settings. You'll be asked to enter your passcode to confirm. Once you do that, your iPhone will reboot and your network settings will be reset. After resetting your network settings, your iPhone's mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections will be refreshed, which often fixes issues with the personal hotspot feature. Now, try turning on your hotspot again to check if the problem is fixed. If you're still having trouble, the issue might be related to your iOS version. Some bugs can cause features like the personal hotspot to stop working properly. If you're using iOS 18 and still facing issues, check if there's a software update available. Open up your settings and go to General. Tap Software Update to see if an update is available. If so, download and install it, as Apple often includes bug fixes in these updates that might solve the issue. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.